there, today I'm going to show you how to clean a tilapia. Now so this is what you need. So you need some scissors and you need, well, you don't need one of these, but if you have it, it will help if the fish is so scaly. And I always have the small knife. It always helps me sometimes with the bit at the corner to clean, and this sharp knife to cut it up. And of course you have here, so this is of course the cutting board. You have it ready. So this is all you need. Okay, here there's some scale here. This has been cleaned, but sometimes even if it's been cleaned, sometimes there might be some bits here. You can see here a little bit left. So this is one of the things you need to make sure you clean it up. So this is what you do. You clean it up. If you have like a knife similar to this, you can use that. And sometimes you might have something like this as well. It comes up as well if you use this. This is for the fish. So you clean it up properly first, so you don't have anything left. So this is what you need to make sure you have nothing left. But I normally prefer to use this, because if there is anything left, you see now sometimes it leaves this bit. So this one is nice done. So let's see the next one. So the next one is the same technique. Just check it here. So this bit and here. Next thing you need to do here is to cut it. So with the scissors. So here's the tail. It's quite handy. So you just, oh, it's slippery, but it's fine. So you just lift it up like that and you just cut it with scissors. So that's cuts really perfectly. And you do the same on this side as well, because you want to get rid of this as well. So as you can see, it's a little bit slippery. There you go. And the same. This is a little bit difficult, but I will just show you a trick. So the same thing, you're holding it, you cut it here, and you just twist it like that, and it comes out, as you can see. And now the last thing is just these bits now left for you to cut out. So this one is out, and then the next thing here is that bit. So that's, you have only two things left, is these two. So these two, you can either use a knife to cut it. Sometimes if you use this, it comes out, but you need to maybe twist it like that. So here we go now. So this is all ready now. As you can see, it's all been cut out. And I'll do the same with this. The next thing I'm going to show you how I cut it. This now, we're going to start from here. So this is now ready. Just need to wash it. And how you do it. So this is the one that's really needs attention. So here, you see around this area, see dirt there. So this is the one that's really, you need to make sure you wash it properly. Properly. And this is now clean. You can see the water is nice and clean, and then that can go away. And this is not really difficult to wash, and so on. So this is how, just make sure it's nice and clean. Okay, and that's it. And then after that, of course, you could just do whatever you want with it.